Okay, the diagram shows the curve with equation y equals to square root of 100 minus 4x square, where x is greater than 0. Okay, and that's the sketch of the diagram. Okay, and then calculate the volume of the solid generated when the region bounded by the curve shown above and the coordinate axis is rotated through 360 degrees about the y-axis, giving your answer in terms of pi. Okay, giving your answers in terms of pi. Okay, now what happen if I rotate this shape, okay, along the y-axis? Okay, if I rotate, it's gonna look somewhat like that, and then you will have, okay, an area, and since I'm rotating, this area will form a solid shape. Okay, a solid shape. Okay, basically I could say it's a hemisphere, or like a bowl. Okay, that's what it's going to form. Okay, so first thing first, if I find a revolution that's rotated along the y-axis, I use the formula integrating pi x square dy. Okay, x square dy. Okay, we know why it's x squared, because it's all your terms should be in terms of x. In this question over here, we have y is given as square root of 100 minus 4x squared. So if I bring the square root over, so we will have y square equals to 100 minus 4x squared. And since the question requires us to integrate x squared, so I'm going to make x squared the subject. So 4x squared equals to 100 minus y squared. So x squared equals to 100 minus y squared divided by 4. So x squared equals to 25 minus y squared over 4. Okay, now we already have x squared. Okay, now we have x squared. So since it's already in terms of x squared, it's easy for us to integrate. So integrate pi x squared, which is 25 minus y squared over 4. But what is the limit? Okay, and this revolution is along the y-axis, so our limit should be what's on y-axis. So it's 0 and 10. So your lower limit is 0, and then your upper limit is 10. Okay, so let me erase this. This is not so clear. Okay, so it should be, okay, 0 and then 10 pi. Okay, so now let's integrate this. So pi, leave it as pi. So 25, integrating 25 will give me 25y, and then minus y to the power of 3 over 4 multiplied by 3, and the limit is between 0 to 10. Okay, so the rest is just the usual integration method. Just substitute your values inside and then find your answer. So pi, so 25 times by 10 minus 10 cube over 12, and this is 250 minus 1000 over 12. Okay, and then it's pi. So if you use your calculator and simplify that, this is 12 times by 250. Okay, I'm gonna use calculator to check that. So which is answer is 3000. Okay, 3000 minus 1000 over 12, and then it's pi. So this is 2000 over 12, Okay, so 2000 over 12, and the answer is 500 over 3 pi. Okay, the question requires us to leave it in terms of pi, so you don't have to go beyond that. So this is your final answer.